Good evening. I'm Maya Clarity, and this is Truth Report.
And I'm Alex Truth. Tonight we're breaking down 5 developing stories in general.
Let's get straight to it.
The details here are striking. From South China Morning Post, UK Health Minister quits, calls for leadership contest to oust PM Starmer.
Labour's Wes Streeting announced his resignation as Health Minister on Thursday, calling for a leadership contest to oust British Prime Minister Keir Starmer, who has shown no sign he is ready to step down. Disastrous results for the governing Labo.
When institutions act this way, ordinary people pay the price.
The timing here is not a coincidence. Let's move to our next story.
Here's where it gets interesting. From South China Morning Post, France, Netherlands say all hantavirus contact cases negative.
France's health minister said on Thursday that 26 people in France identified as close contacts of hantavirus cases linked to the MV Hondius cruise ship had tested negative for the illness. Dutch authorities said that all people who arrived in the NA.
The question isn't whether this is happening, it's why no one is stopping it.
There's a reason this isn't front-page news. Turning now to another developing situation.
This one caught my attention. From South China Morning Post, salute to China. Protocol perfect Trump delights social media as he arrives to meet Xi.
Handshakes, taps on the arm, and frequent asides marked the much-awaited meeting between Xi Jinping and Donald Trump on Thursday morning, as the two presidents projected a close rapport during the first full day of Trump's visit to China. Attention W.
This is exactly the kind of story that gets buried on a Friday afternoon.
This pattern keeps repeating across sectors. Here's something the mainstream press buried.
This story has layers. From South China Morning Post, long and short-term subsidized public rental housing wait falls below 5 years.
The average waiting time for long and short-term general applicants for subsidized public rental housing in Hong Kong had fallen to 4.7 years as of March, authorities said, marking the first time it has dropped below 5 years under the current ADMI.
The mainstream coverage completely missed the real story here.
Follow the money and you'll find the motive. This next story deserves serious attention.
Pay close attention to this next one. From Electrek, how I learned to stop worrying and love pedaling my e-bike.
When I first got into e-bikes, I treated them exactly as they felt at the time, tiny electric motorcycles with pedals attached. This was back around 2009 or 2010, years before the 3-class system was even a twinkle in.
We'll keep tracking this one, there's more to come.
The public deserves to know who benefits.
That's our coverage for tonight. These stories share a common thread.
Power concentrated in fewer hands, accountability pushed further away.
We'll keep digging. Subscribe so you don't miss what comes next.
I'm Maya Clarity.
And I'm Alex Truth. Stay sharp out there.